Hello everyone, I hope all is well. We are live streaming now again. We are having a supersonic breakdown. We have a strong breakdown of the gold right now, which is very common due to the gold. Gold is not doing good at the moment, and let's see where we can go and uh, okay, and let's play the game. So what we are seeing currently right now is here. You see, we are retracing back. We had a mega bar. The mega bar did 160, and now here we have, it was spotted here by the supply. The supply here at this price, the supply, we have a supply zone. There is a buyer who came in at this price, stepped in at 414. Actually, I said on the gold on the night channel, 415 is the breakdown going south. Now it's retracing because we have a fair value gap here, a quick fair value gap, and this fair value gap, it needs to be filled. And I said earlier that our gateway is 53, so he has to test, break and retest the 53 and to go or to continue going back south. And this is the mega bar, and you see here, this is the market maker. And going back to the market maker here, you see here we have a buyer on the 15 minutes. His cost basis is 47, so he has to cross the 47 and go back to the 53 area, 53 zone, and currently we are at 47. And this is the most important thing right now, is the VWAP is at 59. He will touch base. The 59 is at almost at the lower end of the fair value gap. The fair value gap here between this bar, the previous bar was ending at 62, and currently we started at 50, and 53 is the important thing. And in Arabic says, let's check here, accumulation, early build up, buy only at clean dips. So the guys who took over here at the 15, we are now 43, they made 300 pips, and that's common. Let's say why, because here we're still in a downtrend. If we check on the hourly pivot, you will check here that they crossed the S6, the support level 6, based on the Fibonacci, and they pulled back here. If we go below the 15, as I said, 15 is the meltdown. If we closed this hour below the 15, that means we'll go south, but we broke down here at the 15, and the market engaged, and we took it back again. The market came in, strong buyer took it, pulled up from here, has to test the 53, which is here at this S2 right now, and the pivot is at 75. But actually here we have the fair value gap, as you see it here, the fair value gap. Let's draw this section. Okay, let's do the fair value gap. You will see this is the fair value gap. Okay, this is the fair value gap zone, so we have to do it here, and based on the 53 is here, which looks at around the 50%, the 50% of the mega bar. So as to test it, actually it will go to the 63 once we hit, I think, the 38.1, 61.5, which is the, based on the mega bar, it's the 61%, the 38%, that will be a deep retracement. And going back here, starting buying here, the buy gate here was at 48.36, and that was the buy gate. So now it tested the 38 gold zone based on the structure, and now we're going to 59, which is at the VWAP, and we'll do the 50% here, and the RSI is 43.7. Yes, we have a buy condition, but still we did a V shape. As you see, that's a V shape. Supply and demand is V shape, but actually this is not the most important thing for me right now. It needs to support above the 53, 52%, 53, 48.53. If it closes above the 53 this 15-minute, that means we're going down. But the trend right now, we have on the lower time frame, we have a downtrend, and the upper time frame, the 60, says it's an uptrend. So for me, if I decided to go south, to go short, I have to finish to see the retracement here, closing the gap. As you see, the gap is here, closing at 62. If it could close above 62, that means the gap is there. But right now we went, closed the gap, and now is going down below this level here, and this is the median line, which is at 53, which I said earlier. Closing now, I should be getting ready to go, taking it south. It's 2 minutes ahead, and if we check the this is the, it says here to me, it's absorption. It's a bearish absorption. So whatever it goes up here, so it's buying to sell over down here. It's an absorption sell. And as you see here on the Compaxo, the Xaumo, the complex of Xaumo, we have 50% sell, smart sell bias. MTF multi-time frame says to me it's okay, and I have sell bias at the 50s. So right now I think it's the time to take it south. I'll take a trade from here at the 38.52, and I will, that's at 53. I'll put my stop loss here at the pivot here at 75, and I will go all the way south to here the 200%, which is at 4790. 4790. That was a quick live broadcast, so I will quit right now, guys. Otherwise, if it goes above here, the this level above 4790 and closes above it and stays there, that means it's going south. It's going north, so that means I will have the bullish target. But for me at the moment, this is bearish. This is bearish. Close the. This is bearish game. This is very, very bearish. For me, it closes. This is the RSI linear regression, 17 bars back, and this is the short term 9 bars. So I'm outside the trend here. So I'm waiting here to close here to go down at the, I can go short now at this level. Okay, and I'll put my stop loss here at 48.75. Actually, I'll put it here at the top here at 62, above the 62, somewhere above the 77 or 83 in this area, and my target is 4790. And that was a quick live to see how we can project the market. We have a buyer here. It's not an issue. It's 449, 456. I'm still in a bearish zone, 38%, 4861. I'm to cross it down. Smart money is taking pull up. Smart money is going over here. It will retrace now. We have 9 minutes to go. This is the time to go back. We have a liquidity sweep here going north, but here there is a strong fight at this area, and it's pulling back up. And let's check here what it will do here right now. I need it here to close and to do the retest. And once I check here, okay, there's a buyer coming in. This is the 50, this is the ADX. Yes, this is a pullback. Here the RSI sellers are dominating, 6-week sellers still. It's bearish based on the Hull moving average, the Hull 5 and 25 on the old time frames, and it's still yellow. Now it will turn to green, and my bears here are still in control based on the low dimension return indicator. And this is 2 bars. The third bar, that will be the confirmation. The third bar will take us all the way south, and this is the RSI, and we shall take it now, go south. Hallelujah. That's the game of the trade. 38% went up, pulled back some cash, some people there, late entrance. That's the game of, that's the name of the game. Yes. Let's go south. 4790 is the target. Okay, guys, have a nice one and enjoy your afternoon and your pre-New York trade.